current moves within the chest, between the soul and form. A living bridge of breath and fire that keeps the body warm. It carries purpose through the flesh and meaning through the mind. When guided by awareness clear, its power feels aligned. Life force rises when we see beyond desire and strain. A sacred flow that learns to serve, not bind us back to pain. When spirit leads the moving force and vision holds the way, the body listens, energy finds balance, light and stay. When sight is lost, the current pulls toward craving and toward need. The force meant for awakening becomes the drive to feed. Yet turned within through steady gaze, its nature is restored. A creative stream of higher will, aligned with inner Lord. Life force rises when we see beyond desire and strength. A sacred flow that learns to serve, not bind us back to pain. When spirit leads the moving force and vision holds the way, the body listens, energy finds balance, light and stay. From the soul, a tone both deep and wide. It draws the scattered parts as one and brings the heart inside. Through breath and sound, through mind and love, the currents reunite. The physical and unseen realms begin to work in light. Mastery comes when life force flows from truth we live and know. Each level tuned to inner law through conscious breath and tone. By knowing meaning, not just sound, and resting in that view, the soul directs